Hello everyone, this is Mo and you are welcome to my channel. Today I will show you the skincare products that I will be taking with me to Kolkata. I will be staying there for quite a long time and two things I will keep in my mind while packing them. First, weather. Kolkata is very hot and humid, way hotter than Mumbai. And second, to pack light, which is next to impossible. I cannot pack light when it comes to skincare products, but fir bhi, let's try. First thing first, oil cleanser. I need a solid oil cleanser. I will be out for 10 to 12 hours at least for every single day, and I will be wearing lipstick, kajal and layers of sunscreen. So at the end of the day, I need a deep cleanse, and I'm stuck in between two. This cleansing balm is from an Indian brand named Balm Cosmetics. I'm very impressed with that, and it's also very travel friendly because the tub is very light. It feels like it's an empty tub. This one from Cosrx cleansing balm, you need very tiny amount of product to remove everything from your face. I think I will take this one because there I will make the use most out of it. Otherwise I cannot finish it. If you are thinking I'm underestimating this Balm Cosmetics one, you are wrong. I'm in love with it. For cleanser, I'm taking this Elimax one. Otherwise, ये finish नहीं होगा. I don't know कैसे finish करूँ इसे. Nowadays, my husband is also using it, but still ये finish नहीं हो रहा है. For my face, even one pump is more than enough. Yet it's very gentle, but it foams up really well. I'm using it also on my body. फिर भी finish नहीं हो रहा है. And I'm taking this enzyme cleanser from Wishtrend. This is my most reliable and safest option when it comes to exfoliating cleanser or in general exfoliation. I don't use AHA too much. I don't use AHA at all actually. It doesn't suit my skin. But I use it alone, I use it while mixing with my face wash and it works. I will not keep the entire bottle. I will keep it inside any tub because it's very much travel friendly also. You can use it on your scalp. If you want to exfoliate your scalp, just mix it with your shampoo. You can mix it with your body wash for exfoliation. It's a multitasking product. Toner last में आऊँगी हाँ because वो सबसे hard है. I'm a toner junkie. Next is moisturizer, and I will take only this one from Apu. It's their Centella moisturizer. I will take it only for my nighttime routine. When I need moisturizer for repairing and soothing, for that it's perfect. I trust this one more than the Centella serum from Skin 104. For morning routine, I have some Jugaru option. The first Jugaru is this sunscreen from BOJ, Beauty of Joseon. If you follow two fingers rule and you have oily to combination skin, you don't need any moisturizer. It's lightweight but it's moisturizing. It gives your skin a subtle glow, which I like. The next sunscreen I will be taking is this from Kozik. It's an Indian sunscreen. It's very hydrating, ideal for oily skin, ideal for reapplication purpose, and I also want to see how it works on Kolkata climate. Next, serum. First, I will take this niacinamide serum from Tiam. It's a hydrating niacinamide, so it will take care of my dehydration issue. Niacinamide will regulate my sebum production, and alpha-arbutin will take care of my pigmentation issue. This salicylic acid from Ordinary, I particularly ordered this one for my Kolkata trip, you know, because BHA, especially salicylic acid, works amazing on my skin, especially on my pimples. And Kolkata weather and my pimples, they are in a very good relationship, okay? They love to hang out. But this time, no more. Next, this Ginseng Serum. It's a recent purchase, okay? I tried it 2 or 3 times and it's very light and fast absorbing. Ginseng is a very good anti-aging ingredient that provides vitality to your skin, and I always keep one new serum while going out for a long time to give it a complete try. So I'm taking this one. Next is lip balm. For this, I will take only this two. One is from this Quench Botanic and another one is from Minimalist. I have included in my lip balm video. It will be on live very soon. This Minimalist lip balm is very thick. I actually use it as my nighttime lip slipping mask, and it also has SPF 30, so it will be perfect for daytime use. And this Quench Botanic lip oil, it's amazing. I'm very much impressed. Whew. Next is toner. I'm a toner person. Yesterday night, my entire skincare routine, I did only just by toners. I feel that 95% of my skincare issues I can fix when I hydrate my skin. This Elimax Creamy Toner is my second daytime moisturizer Jugaru. If I layer it 2 or 3 times, I'm done with my toner and my moisturizer. And for nighttime, it works as a moisturizer, it works as a toner, it works as a ceramide treatment. It's a lovely product. It's my 3rd bottle, and my husband also uses it as his moisturizer. So I will always keep it in my stock. I use it while having no pimples, having 3-4 pimples, and it works amazing. It doesn't clog your pores, it doesn't trigger your acne, it doesn't give you acne. More than 50-60 toners I have used, and I have been purchasing it again and again. Next is this Essence Toner by Pinkang Yul. I become emotional whenever I talk about it. It's my first K-beauty love. Yes, this is the first product that I have tried on my face, not only as K-beauty. इससे पहले I only used prescribed product, okay? And this toner, it changed everything. It opened up a new skincare world to me. It may be my 10th or 12th bottle, I don't know. I even keep my first bottle. Oh, wait, I will show you. It was a 200 ml bottle. Yes, ये 10 साल पुराना bottle है, okay? I still keep it. Look how beautiful it's still now. ऐसा नहीं कि I'm keeping it good. The plastic quality they provide, it's amazing. Next is this nail mucin from Tiam. People are jumping over Cosrx nail mucin, na? You should try this one. I'm not using Cosrx nail mucin anymore. I'm trying this one and another one from Benton. If you have oily skin, acne prone skin, and if you are staying in a hot and humid weather, you need a snail mucin that gives you glow, and it will hydrate, and it feels refreshing. It's lightweight, fast absorbing. Get this one. Can you imagine that's all? Nahi ho sakta. I will take this one too. It's from Goodall. It's another new purchase. Again, I have tried 2-3 days. I will decant it and I will take it. I will let you know my entire review, but for that I at least need to try it for 1 month. Before that, I don't review anything. And that's all with my today's video. And I'm almost packed. See you soon in my next video. Mostly that time I will be in Kolkata. I'm so happy for that. Bye.